Možda su klovnovi ubice izašli iz mode, ali u zadnje vrijeme se pojavljuju sve više kombinacije klovnova i Deda Mrazova ubica. Dobrodošli na Let's Do It kanal i danas vam predstavljamo napade klovnova ubica prerušenih u Deda Mrazove. Na početku imamo video sa kanala New Day Videos na kom se vidi klovn ubica obučen u dijelo Deda Mraza kako sipa nešto u džakuzi.
Hey! Hey! What are you doing?
Yo, no, that's just some perv.
He's putting something in the hot tub. It's some friggin' idiot dressed up like a Santa. Oh my. Oh, Santa Clown. Santa Clown. Do something.
I can't do anything.
Hey! Get out of here!
Get out of here.
Oh my God! We see you! We see you!
Volite li parkour? Ovaj video napravio Stan Sweden u kom beži od klovna Deda Mraza. Zadnji video je od doma Tracyja koji je upucao vazdušnom puškom klovna.
Yo, No, Mom! It's right here.
Oh my god.
Yo, what do you want, bro? Yo. Bro, get away. Yo, what do you want, bro? Yo! Did I get him?
I don't know.
Should we go? I'm gonna go over.
No, Dom, don't go. Dom, don't go.
Yes, I'm going over.
Dom, some
I
crazy.
have a locker loaded. Right? Yeah, get the gun. What do you want, bro? Mom, should I unmask him?
No.
Why?
No, Dom, leave him alone. Come on, let's go. Dom, leave him. Let's go. Let's go.
I think we should just go inside or something. Alright, let's just go inside and lock the doors. Do you think we're good?
Yeah, I think we're good. Wait, he's up.
Yo, Mom, get inside. Unless I have one. Yo, he's running. Mom, I got him. I got him. Mom, I got him. Let's go. Mom, I'll try to get closer.
No. Leave him be.
Why?
Cause, Dom, just don't mess with him
No,
there.
I
Come
think
on.
I got him or something. Yo,
Ekipo, da li vam se svidao video? Ako jeste, ostavite like i obavezno se subujte na kanal.